Hey, I'm Ron. Today I'm going to show you some coordination drills that I use when I work with athletes and martial artists and dancers. A lot of times when you look at this, it seems like, oh, water going through the bag, how gentle, how nice. So I'm going to show you the yang and the yin of movements. And this movement is called the three rings. It's one of the more advanced movements that we have. And what I can do with this is split it up. And then I can change directions and do it that way. This way I'm coordinating my left and right quickly. This is a very yang. You can listen to the water. It moves really fast. And then from here, I can go into the Tai Chi soft form, the yin movement. Water's quiet. Movement is more animated, less contracted. Water, the sound coursing through the bag always tells you whether your movement is in core or whether it's off-centered. This is the Liquid Trainer, the greatest training tool for dancers, martial artists, and athletes.